Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what I want to teach you now is if you have problem with your sound on your PS3, sound problem on your PS3. Okay, let's get started. Turning it on now. If you notice that your PS3 sound is not working while playing your games, especially uh, like uh, like yes, I'm turning it on. Okay, if you have issue like maybe you want to play your soccer and you notice that it's not making sound, maybe the competitor is not talking and you can't hear any sound, but you can hear sound from a startup of your game. What you have to do, if you notice you can hear sound here, it's making sound here, it's making sound here also. So what you have to do is you go to your settings, go to your sound settings, click on it, go to output settings, click on it, go to HDMI. Since you are using HDMI, then you click on HDMI. Just you can try automatic, first, but if you don't get it in automatic, let me just try it. Okay, automatic now. Let's go back to the sound. Still yet. Then let's go back. Let's go and use manual. Go to HDMI, go to manual. Then you have to just you check all the boxes here. Check all the boxes. Check all the boxes. Okay, let's check. I want to teach you something. Let's check something. Let's launch it if the thing is working. Sorry, you have to launch your end first. Launch your end first. You are trying to test it now, so let's go and launch our game. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. You can ask any questions on the comment section. I will reply. So let's wait until it's launch out. You see, as you can see, it can make sound here. We are still testing it. Hold on. It's loading trophy. Okay, this one is working, but if you notice that your own is not working, this is what you just have to do. This is what you have to do. Let's go back to the settings. Let's go back to the settings. Then you go to your settings, sound settings, output. If you know that your own is not making sound, the competitor is not talking, you can't hear any competitor, you cannot hear any songs, so you just have to check all the boxes here. Check all the boxes here. If you have tried the automatic and it's not working, then you just have to use your manual. So I'm using manual now. That's what you have to do. Then you click, then your right arrow, then to show this, just click enter. So if you go there, it will work. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this video is useful, comment, share. Thank you.